Kenny Graphics.
Guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to make a certificate in Pixellab. So go to your image size and choose your image size 164, 1650, 1275. That's how you go to your background color and change it to white. Oh, that is nice. So the next thing you are going to do, just go to your bezier and enlarge it. So after enlarging it, so go to your rotation and rotate it to 81 degrees. That is okay. The next thing, just click on this and this, click on this. So the next thing, just drag it down and drag that one, drag it like yes, yeah, drag it up and then leave it. Go to your color and brown color and click yes. That is nice. So the next thing, just enlarge it and place it here. So the next thing, go to your rotation and rotate it to like 14 degree. So the next thing, after rotating it, just enlarge it. Yes, though duplicate it and change the color to cream. That is nice. Let's use this and bring it back. So after bringing it back, so place it here, lock. So place it and go to your position to direct it well. So rotate, go to your rotation and rotate it and go to your position, direct it. Wow, that is nice. So the next you are going to do, duplicate it again, copy, go and press on copy. After copying, change the color to brown and take it to the back. Click on to back. Yes, that is nice. And lock that one, lock the second one too, so, and place it here. So after placing it, just go to your rotation and put it in what, put it in this. So the next thing, just move it down, move it up, move it up. So I hope that is very nice. So just move down to move it to be neat, and then move that one to move it. So that is nice. The next thing you are going to do, just go to your imports and import your image. This, so just crop it well, crop it, and then make it small, reduce it. So that's okay. Reduce this small. Yes, so go to your position and direct it well. So after directing it well, so just duplicate it. After duplicating it, so change the first color to brown, and the one that you duplicate, change it to, let's use cream color. That's good. So after then, just bring the cream color, bring it on top the brown, so make it on top it, so put it on top it, let it be between, like in the middle of the brown. Yes, the middle of the brown. Use position to direct it well. Wow, that is nice. So the next thing you're going to do, just go to your text and type your 2024. So after, go to your font and choose the font you want to use, and go to your color and use color black. So the next thing, just move it, reduce the size, reduce it, and go to your position and move it up, move it up, move it up, so, and direct it well. So go to your text again and type your the next step. Type your words, put it in caps. So go to your and choose bold. After bolding it, just go to your color and choose black. For the next thing, just reduce the size. So you're reducing its size and go to your position and move it well. So the next thing on the danger, just go to your text again and type your company name. So put it in caps. So after put it in caps, just place it and reduce the size. Reduce the size. So and place it here. So in your certificate and change it to, after boarding it, change it to color brown. Yo, that is nice, and put it here. Wow, that's nice. So go to your text again and type it. After copy that one, type your 2024 awards. So after put it in caps and come and place it over here. So the next thing, just merge the two image and put it down. So, and that is good. The next, just go to your shapes and change it to color brown. After changing to color brown, radius, increase the radius to 51% and bring it down. Bring it down. So after going to your text, just type your this certificate of achievement presented to. So after then put it in caps and okay. So the next thing you're going to do, just make it in one line. So you enlarge it, make it in one line. After then reduce the size. After reducing its size, just put it on top here and go and change the color to white. Let's use white. So that is good to be clear and neat for the. So the next thing, just move it to be aligned, to align very well. I hope that is good. So the next thing, just go to your queen and choose any sentences you want. Just put it there and just put it here. So align it very well and then go to your alignment and align it to up small. Wow, that is good. So the next thing on the jar, go to your shapes again and choose the color blacks and reduce it very well. So after using it like this and put it down and make it is small. So So after doing that, just do it well to be tiny like a line. Wow, that's good. Just duplicate it and come and move down one two, come and move it down here. So just go to copy it. After copying the second one, just move it, come and put it beside. Don't let it too close, oh, just put it like this. So direct it. So the next thing, just go to your this and crop it. Go to your image and crop this and change it to color black. So after changing it color black, reduce the size and put it between the two lines here. So move it down, move it down, move it down, and come and put it here. So the next thing, just type your text. So type it. For me, my name is Kenny, so I will use my Kenny. So I want to change my font. You will use your any font you want. So for this, I'm using this. So the next, just change it to black color. Go to your color and change it to black. So that is nice. Just move it, align it well, and move it down closely. So the next thing you are going to do, just duplicate the Kenny and type your graphics. So for me, I'm using Kenny Graphics. That's my name on YouTube. So Kenny Graphics, just click on it and align it well. So the next thing, just go to your text and type your signature. So after then, just reduce it and come and put it here, down here. So move it, use your position to move it right. So that is okay. So the next thing you're going to do, just duplicate the signature and delete the signature and write your dates. That is okay. So after writing your date, just move it up here. I hope it's okay. So the next thing, just duplicate your dates and just write your text and write your date. So for me, 1906 2024. So 24, I'll just write 24. Yes, that's right. Okay, so the next thing, just reduce it and just put it here and align it well. Make sure it's down with the line. Wow, that is okay. So the next thing, just go to your text and type your Kenny Graphics. Just for me, after typing Kenny Graphics, just go to your font and use the any font you want. But for me, I'm going with this. So let's do this. So the next thing, just put it there and change your color to blacks and reduce it to align with the line. To align with the line and put it down. Wow, that is nice. So move it well, move it well. Just that is good. Wow, this, I hope you all enjoy this tutorial, and this is how to make a certificate in Pixellab. If you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share it to more than 10 people. Thanks you all my subscribers, and good day.